What if the most useful space in your apartment is the part you've been ignoring this whole time? In this video, we're uncovering 25 brilliant Amazon gadgets that turn wasted corners, cramped counters, and awkward gaps into smart, hard-working space. And by the end, you might look at your tiny apartment in a completely different way. PerLESMITH Rolling TV Stand on Wheels. For your TV setup, this rolling stand is a seriously smart pick for small apartments. It fits most 32 to 83-inch screens and supports up to 110 pounds, so it works with a wide range of TVs. You also get 7 height levels to dial in the perfect viewing angle, plus a tilt feature that helps cut down on glare from windows or lights. The ventilated media shelf gives you extra room for consoles or streaming boxes, while the lockable wheels make it easy to move and keep stable anywhere. WLIVE Lift Top Coffee Table. This lift top coffee table is one of those gadgets that instantly makes a small living room feel more functional. The tabletop rises up to create a more comfortable surface for working, eating, or using your laptop from the couch. Underneath, there's a hidden compartment that keeps remotes, chargers, and everyday clutter out of sight. It also includes a side storage section with a removable shelf for extra organization. With its rustic wood grain finish and smart design, it's a great way to add style and storage without taking up more space. Huuger Folding Desk for small spaces. If you need a workspace but don't want to dedicate a whole room to it, this folding desk is a fantastic solution. It has a compact 31.5-inch design that works beautifully in apartments, bedrooms, dorms, corners, or even RVs. When you're done, it folds down to a slim profile, making it easy to tuck behind a door, beside a couch, or under a bed. The deeper desktop gives you enough room for a laptop, notes, and daily essentials, while the sturdy steel frame keeps everything feeling stable and dependable. hecef Acacia Magnetic Knife Strip. This magnetic knife strip is a super clean way to free up counter and drawer space in a small kitchen. Made from acacia wood with a strong built-in magnet, it keeps your knives organized, visible, and easy to grab while cooking. It also helps create a more open and less cluttered prep area, which is a huge win in compact apartments. Another nice bonus is that it can store more than just knives, since it also works with other metal tools. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, this one just makes sense. AKFJOSGE Expandable 3-in-1 Convertible Bookcase. This expandable bookcase is exactly the kind of furniture that works brilliantly in a tiny apartment. Its sliding design lets you adjust the width from compact to wide, so it can fit different spaces without wasting room. You can use it as a straight bookshelf, extend it for more display space, or fold it into an L-shaped corner setup to make better use of awkward areas. With 4 open shelves, it gives you plenty of room for books, plants, baskets, or decor, while still keeping the whole setup looking modern and organized. JARLINK Over-the-Door Organizer Storage. When floor space is limited, going vertical is always a smart move, and this over-the-door organizer does exactly that. It features 5 roomy pockets along with extra mesh side pockets, giving you a ton of hidden storage without taking up any valuable space in the room. What makes it even better is the reinforced design that helps prevent tilting and sagging even when it's heavily loaded. It's great for bedrooms, bathrooms, nurseries, dorms, or pantries, and it turns the back of any door into a seriously useful storage zone. SONGMICS MAZIE Collection Storage Ottoman Bench. This storage Ottoman bench is a really smart choice if you want furniture that does more than one job. It sets up in seconds, folds away when not needed, and gives you a roomy 35-gallon storage compartment for blankets, books, clothes, and other clutter. It also includes smaller storage boxes and a divider to help keep everything organized instead of turning into one big mess. On top of that, it's sturdy enough to use as extra seating or a footrest, so it adds both comfort and function to a compact space. STORAGEBUD Storage Ottoman Bench. This compact storage Ottoman bench is perfect for adding hidden storage without making your room feel crowded. It measures 30 inches wide, folds flat when not in use, and works as a bench, footrest, or even a small accent piece at the end of a bed or near an entryway. Inside, you get space for bulkier items like throw blankets and pillows, plus removable bins that help organize smaller essentials. The cushioned lid also lifts easily from either side, making it super convenient for everyday use in tighter living spaces. Amazon Basics Classic Foldable TV Dinner Tray Table. This foldable tray table set is one of those simple gadgets that becomes useful almost every single day. You get 4 trays and a matching storage rack, so it's perfect for small apartments where flexibility matters. Use them for TV dinners, laptop work, hobbies, snacks, or even as quick side tables when guests come over. Each tray opens into a stable surface and folds flat when you're done, so they're easy to store without cluttering the room. It's a practical, no-fuss setup that makes small space living a whole lot easier. Flamaker Futon Sofa Bed. This futon sofa bed is a great pick for tiny apartments because it gives you seating, lounging, and sleeping space all in one piece. The backrest adjusts to 3 different positions, so it works whether you're watching TV, gaming, relaxing, or setting up a quick guest bed. It also features removable armrests that can double as pillows, plus built-in cup holders for extra convenience. With a sturdy metal frame, linen-style fabric, and support for up to 500 pounds, it's a smart way to get more function from less furniture. Ljusved Portable Clothes Dryer. If your apartment doesn't have a full laundry setup, this portable clothes dryer can be a total game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable, which makes it easy to store or even bring along for travel, dorm life, RV use, or hotel stays. The unit uses quick heating with constant temperature control to dry clothes efficiently, and it offers 2 drying modes for different fabric types. You also get simple controls, a timer, remote operation, and automatic shutoff for safety. It's a clever gadget for anyone short on space and convenience. Sink Topper Bathroom Counter Cover and Storage Saver. This sink topper is one of the smartest small space gadgets for bathrooms because it instantly creates extra counter space right over the sink. The foldable silicone design is heat resistant, so it can handle hot styling tools like curling irons and straighteners while also protecting the surface below. It's also strong enough to hold brushes, toiletries, and other daily essentials, helping keep your bathroom cleaner and less crowded. Since it folds away easily when not in use, it's especially useful for apartments, RVs, and compact bathrooms where every inch really matters. PrepWorks Collapsible Tub. This collapsible tub is one of those underrated gadgets that becomes useful all over the home. It expands when you need it and collapses down to 1/3 of its size when you don't, which makes storage incredibly easy in a small apartment. It's ideal for washing dishes, soaking items, cleaning, or even outdoor use, and the raised feet help water drain underneath more efficiently. With integrated handles and a versatile capacity, it's easy to carry and move around as needed. Simple, practical, and space-saving. This is a great everyday utility item. ANNQUAN Motorized Pop-Up Countertop Receptacle. This motorized pop-up outlet is a seriously slick upgrade for a modern apartment kitchen or workspace. With a touch, it rises from the countertop to give you quick access to multiple outlets and USB charging ports, then disappears back down when you're done to keep the surface looking clean. It also includes wireless charging on top, which adds even more convenience without extra clutter. That hidden design is what makes it so useful for smaller spaces, because you get the charging power you need without permanently giving up countertop room or visual simplicity. Queen-size Farmhouse Murphy Bed Cabinet. This Farmhouse Murphy Bed Cabinet is exactly the kind of piece that can transform a tiny apartment or guest room. During the day, it looks like a stylish cabinet, helping your space feel open and organized. At night, it becomes a queen-size bed, giving you a full sleeping setup without permanently sacrificing floor space. What makes it even better is the built-in charging station and storage drawer, which add extra convenience for daily living. It's a smart, all-in-one solution for anyone who wants their room to work harder without looking cramped. Folding dining table for small spaces. This folding dining table is a really smart pick for tiny apartments because it gives you flexibility without permanently taking over the room. Its extendable design lets you open it up when you need a proper dining surface, then fold it down to save space when you're done. That makes it perfect for apartments, studios, or kitchens where every inch matters. It's the kind of furniture that can shift between mealtime, extra prep space, or even a casual work setup, which is exactly why space-saving tables like this are so useful. LotFun Folding Dining Table with 2 storage racks. This LotFun folding dining table is built for small space living, and what makes it stand out is the added storage underneath. Along with the foldable tabletop design, it includes 2 storage racks that help keep kitchen items, small appliances, or dining essentials organized and close by. That means it's not just a table, but also a compact storage station for tighter homes. It's designed for kitchens, dining rooms, and small spaces, and the sturdy construction gives it a dependable feel. For anyone who wants function packed into one footprint, this is a strong option. CONSDAN 36-inch floating shelves. These 36-inch floating shelves are a fantastic way to add storage without giving up any floor space. Made from solid paulownia wood, they have that lightweight but durable feel that works really well in apartments, bedrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. The burnt wood finish also adds a warm rustic touch that can instantly make a wall feel more styled and intentional. What makes them such a smart gadget for small spaces is how they turn empty wall area into practical storage for books, decor, framed photos, or everyday essentials while keeping the room open and uncluttered. AMADA Home Furnishing Floating Shelves. If you want wall storage that looks clean and modern, these floating shelves are a great choice. This set includes 4 Paulownia wood shelves, and each one is designed with a concealed mounting system that creates a sleek floating effect on the wall. They're made to hold up to 22 pounds each, so they're strong enough for decor, small plants, toiletries, kitchen items, or office essentials. Because you can arrange them vertically or in a longer line, they give you a lot of flexibility, which is exactly what makes them so useful in compact homes. VINGLI Shoe Cabinet Storage. This ultra-slim shoe cabinet is a seriously smart solution for tight entryways. At just over 9 inches deep, it's designed specifically for narrow spaces where a regular shoe rack would feel bulky or get in the way. It features 2 flip drawers plus a smaller drop-down drawer, giving you room for shoes as well as small everyday items like keys or shoe accessories. The adjustable internal shelves help it fit different shoe styles, and the semi-open back improves ventilation. It's a clever way to keep your front entrance looking clean, organized, and a whole lot less chaotic. Slim Shoe Cabinet. This slim shoe cabinet is the kind of furniture that makes a small hallway instantly feel more organized. It's designed as a closed shoe rack for entryways and compact spaces, so instead of having shoes scattered by the door, everything stays tucked neatly out of sight. That alone can make a small apartment feel cleaner and more put together. The modern design also helps it blend into the room instead of looking bulky or messy. For anyone dealing with limited entryway space, this is a practical upgrade that adds order without sacrificing style. ALANNG Heavy Duty 3 Tier Folding Shelf. This heavy-duty folding shelf is one of those gadgets that can instantly add storage anywhere you need it. It features a 3-tier metal design with wheels so you can use it in a kitchen, bedroom, laundry area, dorm, or even a small office, and move it around without hassle. What really makes it great for apartment living is the foldable design. When you need the storage, it opens into a sturdy shelf, and when you don't, it folds down into a much more compact shape. That mix of strength, mobility, and convenience makes it incredibly useful. CWENZXDIA Kitchen Storage Carts 3 Tier Foldable Rolling Cart. This 3-tier foldable rolling cart is a great way to add storage without committing to a large, permanent piece of furniture. It gives you multiple levels for organizing kitchen tools, pantry items, bathroom supplies, or everyday essentials, and the raised edges help keep everything secure while you move it around. Because it rolls, you can shift it wherever you need extra storage in the moment, then park it out of the way later. The foldable design is the real win here, since it lets you tuck the cart away when space gets tight or needs change. PERLEGEAR Rolling TV Stand. This PERLEGEAR rolling TV stand is a really versatile setup for apartments, bedrooms, home offices, or even outdoor movie nights. It fits TVs from 32 to 82 inches and supports up to 100 pounds, so it works with a huge range of screens. You also get 11 height adjustment levels, which makes it easy to find a more comfortable viewing position. The adjustable AV shelf gives you room for a console, laptop, or streaming box, while the lockable wheels keep everything mobile but stable. It's a smart alternative to a bulky entertainment center in smaller homes. JINOCADI Heavy Duty Over Door Organizer. This heavy-duty over door organizer is a simple but super effective way to create extra storage in a small home. It uses vertical space that usually goes to waste, giving you multiple hanging shelves for toiletries, cleaning products, snacks, toys, office supplies, or daily essentials. That makes it especially useful for bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and pantries, where storage always seems to run out first. Since it hangs over the door, you don't need to give up floor space or install bulky furniture. It's one of those practical gadgets that quietly makes your entire home feel more organized. That's our list of 25 space-saving Amazon gadgets that can make even the tiniest apartment feel smarter, cleaner, and way more functional. Which one was your favorite, and which one would you actually use in your home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs more space without moving.